Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to begin Cascading Style Sheets, CSS. Let's proceed with the introduction. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is the language we use to style any HTML document. CSS describes how HTML elements should be displayed. External style sheets are stored in CSS files. Let's talk about CSS history. HTML was never intended to contain tags for formatting web pages. HTML was created to describe the content of a web page, like heading, paragraph. When the tags like font and color attributes were added to HTML 3.2 specification, it started a nightmare for the web developers. Development of large websites where fonts and color information were added to every single page became a long and expensive process. To solve this problem, World Wide Web Consortium W3C created CSS. And finally, CSS removed the style formatting from HTML pages. Let's take a look on CSS Syntax. So this is how we write the CSS instructions. So here you can see the first one in the green color, H1. This is the selector, and the next green color rectangular box, this is the declaration. The declaration is having property and value. And here you can see that the values are of two types. One is numeric and one is character, like the color name. The selector points to the HTML element you want to style. Whatever HTML document we are working upon, we need to point to that particular element that is supposed to be designed using CSS. So that is done with H1. That is the selector. Next, the declaration block contains one or more declarations separated by semicolons. So here in the declaration box, the rectangular green color box, you can see that multiple properties with their values are being given here, like the color is blue and the font size is 12, and both are separated with semicolons. Next, each declaration includes a CSS property, name, and a value separated by a colon. That means whatever the property is there, its value will be given after the colon. And the next one is multiple CSS declarations are separated with semicolons and declaration blocks are surrounded by curly braces. So whatever the declarations we are giving for that particular selector, they will be separated with semicolons and together they will be merged, clubbed into curly braces.